Hi, my name's Juliet, and today I'm going to talk about the issues I found with the Preserve formatting function in Scrivener 3 for Windows. The Preserve formatting, which can be found under the Format menu, is designed to maintain any special formatting you have specified in your manuscript. In other words, not to overwrite it with the template's defaults. It's meant for small display pieces of text, not great swathes. I've used this in a few ebooks to have text stay at the margin rather than be indented. It works fine straight away, but if you go back and recompile your document after exiting the Scrivener project, the preserved formatting isn't always retained. Here I've put all these sentences to the left. Same formatting, basically no indents. If I preserve this and create an ebook, you'll see that, probably because the text has no line space before it, the first line still has an indent, but the rest works. If I go back and put in line spaces, it works fine. And even if I go out of the Scrivener file and back in, it still seems to preserve that formatting when a new file is generated. All well and good. However, the problem comes when the preserved formatting is more than one thing, like this. When I first generate the compiled file, it works fine, but if I close the project and open it again, and recompile the ebook without reassigning the preserved formatting, it isn't saved. Preserve the items separately, you might think, because they're different formatting. Well, you can't. The blocks join up. So I'm not saying don't use it. Just be aware that if your formatting is complex, it's unlikely to work without reapplying it every time you want to generate a new file. And this can be a real pain if you forget, which you will. I did. Thanks for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you again next time.